footy club through thick and thin. I think he's been a great president. He's made mistakes like they all do, but...
We disagree?
Oh, I don't really think about it all that much. You know.
I'll tell you what was great was the Brisbane Lions on the weekend. Let's give them some credit because there was this sort of almost an atmosphere of doom about the club over the course of the year. Now, Jonathan Brown did a fantastic job on the weekend. He got smashed by Lake early in the piece. And then he just decided, well, I've got to get on the bike and I'll leave it to Merritt. Merritt kicked 4 goals and he worked Brian Lake over. First quarter, wasn't getting the job done, getting out marked, got on his bike, absolutely ran Lake into the ground. And I thought it was a wonderful exhibition of leadership and selflessness and knowledge of forward craft, if you like. So I love that. I love Rockcliffe, I love Redden, I love Zork.